nimvotele noba ngiyi-1 ingoma ingene ku-Song of the Year, nichawule ngayo inyoka ku-Khosi FM bafethu. Ngicela nenze sure bafethu ukuthi namsupport uZinqumanda. Ngicela bafethu ayi-blind, ngicela nenze sure umsebenzi wakhe does pay off manje, yabo, and she's been working hard abe la ekhona, yabo, and usazimisele and usaphusha, yabo. And laba abangashitrimanga i-short film yakhe bafethu about ngisakuthanda, about ukuthi ngisakuthanda, yeah. I-short film yakhe ku-YouTube iphumile bafethu. Make sure ukuthi nayo bafethu nihamba noyivisithela lapha niyibukele. Is a good story bafethu, portraying such a good story there, you understand? And like it makes sense. I feel like she's telling us about her story, like personal, but I uncollab, but go guys and stream that that short film. It's a nice film and you're gonna learn a lot. Ukuthi umuntu wakho kumele appreciate uthando kulo, appreciate the relationship okuyo. We need such things from ama artist. Ukuthi aqhuquzele abantu ukuthi mabenze into positive. Go and watch that thing. It's out there on YouTube bafethu. Mele nina bafethu masupport ama artist wethu bafethu, masupport abantu bethu bafethu, masupport umuntu omnyama akaphakame. Ezabantu abamnyama sibaningi for ukuthi singangasupportani. Masupport umuntu omnyama aphakama afike khona afike out kancane bafethu ase.
Hi, freshmen. This is the girl Zinqumalo. Today we are doing our short film. I'm going to be doing it with my super tight friends, Izinja Zam. What inspired the short film? Ngathini nje, Ingisakuthanda is still a top charting amapiano song till today. The music video on its own, I felt like, yes, this music video is growing. What else can I do? And then my team was like, I sense the movie, because you always have a thing, people don't really understand what you go through when you write these songs. So maybe let's put it into, a visual. What were my highlights? Making the short film. The kissing scene, it wasn't easy, bro. Actors go through a lot. No, actually, shout out to actors. Like, they shine toyabo. To me, it was very much foreign, especially because it was my first time doing Integanjalo. I'm used to shooting music videos, and to me, it was just a totally new experience. But I'm super glad we did it the way we did it. In the video, in movie, like a proper. What do I have to say to my fans? Izinja Zami, Dogs of Life, Izinja Madota, ngiyabonga kakhulu. I hope guys niqhubeke ni win because kumnandi ukuwina, like kumnandi winani, nibe exposed to life, nibe inspired, nani nikhona uku-inspire abanye abantwana.